everyone, welcome back to my channel. Of course I would have hiccups as soon as I sit down to film. Oh my god. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is another curly hair video. As you can tell by the title, I am trying out the curl collection from Verb. I've never tried them before, and I found them on Instagram, and I thought it was just like a little Instagram brand, but they actually are like a legitimate brand that's available at Sephora. So I washed and conditioned my hair already, but I wanted to stuff everything back in this bag to show you guys how it came. And it's just like a reusable plastic bag that you can use for travel and, you know, stuff your hair products in when you're traveling, or just to keep them all together in your bathroom or whatever. So yeah. Oh, also it came with this bag right here. It's a little tote bag, and it says Verb on one side, and then it says only the good stuff. So that's really cute. You could use that for anything. So I'm not sure if this collection came with this packaging and the extra tote bag because I bought mine during like a sale. I don't know if it was some sort of promotion kind of thing, or if these things come with your purchase at any time. So I already washed and conditioned my hair. Like I said, I used the curl shampoo and the curl conditioner. So I'm not going to go into all the details of the ingredients, but they do state at the very top there's no parabens, no gluten, or no sulfates in both the shampoo and the conditioner. So that's really good. When I tried the shampoo out, I was a little surprised because it seemed pretty thick, like on the thicker side of shampoo. It almost had the consistency of like a conditioner, but it smells really good, and I think it cleansed my hair really well. They both have like a citrusy smell, I think it is. I was trying to put a name to it, but I think it's like a citrusy kind of scent, and they smell good. So next I'm gonna go in and use the curl leave-in conditioner, and this one says it detangles, protects, and restores your curls. Also no parabens, no gluten, or no sulfates. I'm just gonna go ahead and run my little brush through my hair to make sure all my tangles are out. I did detangle in the shower this time, but I'm just gonna go in with this brush to make sure everything is smooth. And I guess I didn't even mention that this whole collection comes with 4 products. It comes with the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and also a curl cream. So now that my hair is detangled, I'm going to go in with this leave-in conditioner and just put it all over. I'm going to separate my hair into 2 sections and then apply it that way. It smells the same, I think. And to me it smells a little citrusy, like it's not very strong, but it smells like oranges. Yeah, I think it smells like oranges. So this is the leave-in conditioner, and the consistency of it is super liquidy. Usually I use leave-in conditioners that are pretty thick. I feel like for me personally, this is an easy way for me to like use way more than I actually need, because I don't know, I just feel like I still don't have much in my hands. But maybe a little bit goes a long way. I'm not really sure. We'll see how it works. The leave-in conditioner is all applied throughout my hair, and I feel like it's super lightweight, it's super liquidy, and I feel like I don't have enough of it in my hair, but I didn't want to keep going. This is how much I use so far. I feel like I would run through this super quick. It is only a 6 fluid ounce bottle, but we'll move on and see how the curl cream works. Okay, so I'm just going to move on to the curl cream, and this is what it looks like. This one says shape, definition, defrizz, and repair, and this one is a 5.3 fluid ounce bottle. So I'm going to be using my little Denman brush today, and I'm going to start from the back of my hair and just apply this the same way that I would apply any styling product these days. If you guys watched my last video, I have been using a Denman brush on my hair. It comes out so good. I don't know why I didn't use one before, but I love it. So let's see the consistency of this. Well, let's see if it smells the same. It should. Oh, there's a sticker on it. Oh, I need to smell it. I feel like I can't smell anything. So this is the consistency of the curl cream. I feel like it doesn't smell like the other ones. I don't think it has a scent at all. They have like a little bit of a scent, but it definitely is not as strong as the other ones, and the other ones weren't very strong anyway. So the consistency of this curl cream is pretty light as well. It does have like a really sticky feeling. It almost feels like it could be like a gel, but I feel like this curl cream is like medium thick. It's not like super thick, but it is a cream, so it has that thickness to it. I don't know, I feel like it'll do a good job of defining my curls and like holding the curl pattern. So we'll see. Okay, so I was just reading the back of the curl cream and the leave-in conditioner, and they do mention about their products being like weightless products. It says the leave-in conditioner weightlessly smooths, detangles, and prevents breakage for hydrated, bouncy curls. And the curl cream says it provides memory and light hold to all types of textured hair, keeping curls shapely and buoyant. The lightweight formula activates curls and controls frizz for all day, touchably soft hair. So yeah, I do feel like my hair is very light. It doesn't feel like it's heavy. I don't feel like I have a lot of product in it. I feel like that might make it dry a little faster as well. Right now it's 11:30 a.m. and I'll be back once my hair is dry. Hopefully by like 6 or 7 p.m. my hair should be good, and we'll see what the final result looks like. Also, if you guys don't drink kombucha, you better drink some kombucha because this is really good. Should try these. They're good for your gut as far as like probiotics and stuff. This one's the blueberry mint kombucha. You should also try the strawberry lemonade one. I get these at Target. They're bomb. Anyway, I'll be back in a few hours. Hey guys, I am finally back. This is actually 2-day-old hair because there's no natural daylight anymore for me to film. So I'm in my bathroom, and sorry about the quality of the lighting or whatever, but literally my hair was dry probably at like 6 p.m. yesterday, which was the day I filmed the beginning of this video, but it was already pitch black outside. So I wanted to wait until today for some natural lighting, but by the time I got a chance to film, it was already dark. So here I am. I try to set up the ring light and everything. Hopefully this isn't that bad. But I really love the way my hair came out. I love these products. I'm not even just saying that. Like, I am going to be using this every wash day. This and the leave-in conditioner. I love the way my hair came out. It's a little bit frizzy. I was at work all day, and I don't know, I just been messing with it, tucking it behind my ears and stuff. But my curls came out so good. I also feel like my hair is getting lighter, which I love. But I love the way my curls came out. They feel so soft and fluffy, and they're just super nice. Like, I am in love with both of these products. I'm incorporating these into every wash day until I find something better. So you have to get your hands on them if you're a curly girl, and you can get them at Sephora, or you can just go on their website. I bought them directly off their website, And right now they're having that little sale, so I don't know how long that's gonna go on, but you guys should check it out immediately. Okay, so that is going to be the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm back with the curly hair videos, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. Make sure you like, make sure you leave some comments. I really appreciate all your guys' support. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. That is so many people. That's crazy. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.